Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're all doing well. This one is about awesome construction tools. Let's get started. Plate carrier. Plates, carrier glass, sheet metal, varied slabs, and panels are all building components that are enormous, relatively delicate, and have thin sharp edges, requiring extreme caution during transporting. The plate carrier is, in our opinion, the most practical instrument for the job. It's a unique grasp for flattening hefty materials. IQ Tools manufactures a wide selection of models for working with various materials, weights, and thicknesses. The smallest holding, for example, is intended for sheets ranging from 0 to 14 mm thick, whereas the largest is intended for sheets ranging from 0 to 120 mm thick. In any event, the equipment has a capacity of 100 kg. The rubberized holder has a solid and secure grip. DeWalt DCE151TD1. When you need to strip a big number of wires or cables in a short period of time, a particular electric wire stripper is preferable. Consider this one from DeWalt. The model comes in a case with 20 additional attachments that increase the tool's capabilities. As a result, this wire stripper can deal with wires ranging in diameter from 6 to 750 mm. This equipment is completely safe to use since it sensitively handles the metal details of the cable, while the closed construction of the knife protects the worker from injury. This model is part of the 20V Max XR family of cordless tools, which means it can work for an extended period of time. GEDA BatteryLadderLIFT. Every day, workers in construction and maintenance must cope with the necessity to lift heavy materials to tremendous heights. Standard elevators meant to help this task are frequently large, uncomfortable, and costly. As a result, the German company collaborated to create a material hoist that is fixed on a ladder and takes up no more space. The device is intended for lifting up to 120 kg of loose and liquid building materials, heavy bricks and slabs. The lifting height can be extended to a maximum of 10 meters. The load platform moves at a rate of 15 meters per minute, allowing workers to be very productive. It's also worth noting that the machine doesn't have any cords that could get in the way of the operation. The battery ladder lift will be useful in a variety of situations, including construction and repair tasks. Coal bar hammer. The creators of this tool refer to it as a hammer for the 21st century, and it has little in common with the hammers humans have used in the past. It simply appears ordinary at first glance. A deeper inspection indicates that the tool is changing. When unfolded, the structure transforms into a crowbar with several purposes. The angle between the handles is set, therefore it can also be used as a measurement tool. Finally, pressing the core separates one tool from the other. As a result, the worker has access to both the hammer and a crowbar. The item has a minimum price of $55 and can be used as a screwdriver bit. Innovatools Multi-Trowel. The adaptability of the following tool allows you to considerably accelerate the speed of construction and repair operations, particularly when working on complex surfaces with many curves. The Multi-Trowel from Canadian firm Innovatools is a radius-adjustable trowel. The working surface is linked to the handle by 4 removable metal parts, allowing it to alter shape and be precisely suited to the curvature of the surface to be treated. A perfect circle, a semicircle, or a square It is up to the worker to make the decision. The firm sells blades in a variety of sizes with either round or sharp edges. Working with plaster, drywall, or stucco will never be the same again. Probst FXAH-120. We've already discussed building materials that are notoriously difficult to move. Sheet metal, however, is not the only problematic material. Take a look at these big, massive planks. Lifting and carrying them for future installation is extremely tough. Second, working with this substance puts the worker's health at danger. That is why the Probst FXAH-120 is a must-have on the job site. It's a vacuum lifter that securely mounts to a concrete or masonry slab. The handle is available in two sizes, one for one person and one for two people. Surprisingly, the tool's lifting capability is 120 kilograms, which is undoubtedly greater than the waist of a worker. Probst SVZ Uni. This manhole and cone installation clamp is another piece of equipment from the same German firm. With its assistance, the technique for installing a well has been substantially simplified. With a single movement, the operator transitions from grip to release. As a result, the full transport method can be completed by a single person. The device is available in a variety of working diameters ranging from 625 to 1500 mm. When switching from brains to cones, extra units that modify the clamp's diameter are readily mounted using regular bots. Gas visa does not necessitate any additional adjustments. CHAMELEON has a load capacity of up to 2,500 kilos. Despite the fact that the machine itself weighs only 100 kilograms. ROKAMAT CHAMELEON. This machine is intended to conduct a wide range of surface preparation tasks for plastering and finishing. The ROKAMAT CHAMELEON is a German worldwide standard. The working tool consists of two discs that revolve in opposite directions. Each workstation is outfitted with 3 inclined blades. They remove a thin layer from the surface by rotating. The tool provides the worker with a plethora of options. This machine is capable of grinding sand cement plaster, removing decorative plaster, smoothing concrete, stripping wallpaper, and cleaning glue residue, to name a few jobs. It also has a modest weight of about 2.4 kilograms. The flexibility to alter speeds from 120 to 605 minutes is strong, as is the ability to use it frequently with a vacuum cleaner. Ruby hole marker. Workers must frequently undertake highly precise work during the construction of kitchens and bathrooms in order to transpose the position of the holes from the wall to the ceramic tile. That's all you see on your screen is ideal for this work, and it helps you to complete it fast and easily. The ruby hole marker adheres to the tile and remembers the precise location of the hole. All that remains is to move it to another tile and sell it properly. That's all there is to it. You can now begin the drilling step. The tool's maximum length is 65 centimeters, allowing you to work with tiles of practically any size. U.S.SAWS Core EZ. You can see what core drilling looks like here, as well as the most recent technology meant to make the procedure easier and faster. A diamond drill bit is used as a working tool. It burrows into the material as it spins, fracturing the surface and creating circular motions. As a result, the interior section is still intact. drilling produces a perfectly flat, circular hole. Core drilling is used in construction to produce holes in concrete walls and foundations for the later installation of piles and reinforced concrete structures. Use Core EZ drilling mechanism locks into the middle of the core to reduce the possibility of misalignment. The rig is small, and both are soon working hard to get to places. That was all for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I surely did. I really appreciate you for taking the time to watch my show. I'm XR3. Until next time, all the love and all the power.